Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the opening bell here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. We're looking at a mixed market. We've seen it globally. We saw the overnight action in Japan. It was extremely negative. Japan slid about 1.7% overnight. We're seeing mixed action in Europe, and we're seeing that the market is continuing to stay in the red here in the equity side here in the U.S. markets. Taking a look at the markets right now, I have the Dow Jones down 55 points on the futures side at 19,834, off of its worst levels, though, that we saw earlier this morning. Also, taking a look at the Russell 2000, trading down 4 points, again, off of its worst levels. Trading right now at $1,345.90. Taking a look at the NASDAQ, down 1975 at 5104.75. And the S&P 500 trading down 7.25, slipping a little bit here now on the open at 2268.75. You have the dollar down 72 cents. Dollar weakness across the board has gotten the euro basically moving to the upside. You do have the pound, though, continuing to move up against the dollar. We'll see if that continues. You're seeing that because of the downdraft in the U.S. dollar, you're seeing the commodity market, specifically the metals, trading up. You have gold trading now at $1,211.50, right around $1,550 is to the upside. So gold is really on the move. You're also seeing copper on the move to the upside as well. So we're going to keep an eye on that at 271. And finally, crude markets. Crude markets have firmed up. They're actually trading to the upside, up about 54 cents at 53. Now, we've had a batch of earnings reports this morning from high-profile names like ExxonMobil. Exxon came in basically in line. Stocks trading at right around $85, up about 24 cents. You have Pfizer came in, pretty lackluster, trading down about 30 cents at 31.01. You have MasterCard trading down about $2.30 at 107. And you have UPS, United Parcel Service, trading at 117, down about $1.06. Now, so far we've seen that it's been mixed reaction with these names basically down between 0.4% and 0.9%. The one that really got a hit was apparel maker Under Armour, UAA. Just got smacked on the open, down about $7.45 at 21.51. Basically, their quarterly results this morning were very poor. That has that space on watch. We actually saw that Louis Vuitton or Adidas in Germany was actually underperforming when we were looking at it in the European markets. And we're seeing that with this 26% plunge in Under Armour, that's putting some pressure on that consumer discretionary space. Also, Under Armour's CFO will be leaving for personal reasons. That put the stock on edge. Taking a look, though, at the Treasury markets. The Treasury markets basically have returned to flatline this morning after posting some modest gains early in the session. The benchmark 10-year yield is basically unchanged at 2.48%. We're going to watch this very closely. On the economic front, we basically have fourth quarter investment cost index from November and the Case-Shiller 20-city home price index. The fourth quarter employment costs came in, rose 0.5%. That's a little bit below consensus, so not totally negative. The Case-Shiller 20-city home price index for November rose 5.3%, a little bit better than what was expected at 5%. So that's on the move, and we'll see how that impacts both home housing, the housing sector, as well as financials. We'll see how that's moving those during the course of the day. All right, folks, that's it right now for the opening action report and what's hot. We're going to take a little bit of a deeper look. I may actually jump on at around 11 Eastern time to just do a quick update here at MarketStream.live, just to kind of sift through some of these earnings results. It's been fast and furious, but the market is clearly in the red. We'll be back at 1:30 for sure with Strategy Now here at MarketStream.live, where we'll be covering all of the action here in the midday markets. Okay, folks, have a great day.